Hello, this is Eric, Energy Pro Windows and Siding here in Belton, Missouri, and today I'm going to be explaining kind of how we actually install replacement windows or wood pocket replacement windows. A lot of customers constantly have the question, they don't quite understand how the replacement window process takes place. This here is a demo of what your traditional wood windows would look like. We're going to take out the sashes, the moving parts of the window, and we're going to remove the stops from your original window from the factory. And what you're going to be left with here is a solid wood frame. Okay, we're going to take it down to the original sill and the original frame from the manufacturer by tearing out all these stops, okay? Then we're gonna take your new vinyl replacement window and we're gonna set that window in the hole and square it up and level it up with shims. So moving on to here, this is a vinyl window that's been set into the original manufacturer's frame sitting on the sill. When we do that, we're gonna shim it up, and then we're gonna go around and we're gonna fill any minor gaps around the window with spray foam. And then on the sill, on the angled sill, we're going to add fiberglass insulation to fill that gap. Once that is done, we're gonna take back and we're gonna cut our stops, and we're gonna add our stops to the window. Right here, you see this one's a little narrow stop. And we're gonna apply those or install those to help seal up your window. Once those stops are installed, we're gonna wrap everything in a PVC coated aluminum. This is an example of what it looks like. We're gonna wrap your sill first. We're gonna tuck the sill pin underneath to prevent water infiltration. Okay, we're gonna do that all the way around the window. And then this is going to be what your final product looks like right over here. We've got everything wrapped, caulked, and sealed, and this is your finished product on the exterior. Commonly asked question in this process is what happens to my interior trim. So on the inside of the window, again, we're removing your stops. We're stripping or gutting the window from the outside, leaving the original frame in. We're leaving the interior stops from the manufacturer still intact inside the frame. And on the inside of the window, your trim, we don't even touch your trim. We're not disturbing your trim, your caulking, your paint. We're gonna leave that alone so that the new window will push in, and it'll push into the original stops of the original frame from the manufacturer.